Hello and welcome to today's training session where we cover on how to add a testimonial to your website. To add a testimonial to your website, it's very simple and easy. All you need to do is log into the Ego backend. Once you're logged in, you need to go to the website tab and then click on testimonials. Once you click on the testimonials tab, you'll see a page like this appear. Over here, you can see all the current testimonials that have been added to your website. You can click on edit, delete, or you can add new testimonials. In this example, let's click on add new and add a new testimonial to your website. So first thing you'll notice is this form pop-up, which pretty much you need to fill up. Not all fields are required. The only required field is the title and the testimonial. The rest can be left blank. However, in this example, we're going to fill out all the details here to show you how it's going to reflect. So the first thing which you can do is you can choose an image for your testimonial. This can be the property which the testimonial was done for. This can be the client's image. It can be anything. For this case, we're going to choose an example file, which is going to be of these quotation marks. Once you click on that, it uploads and then it renders and shows the image accordingly. The next thing after that, we add in the title and the testimonial. In this case, we're going to grab one of our testimonials from our Google review and going to add it in. So for the testimonial, I'll just put this. For the client name, I'll put in the client name. And then the date, we just put it backdated to 2 months ago. So in this case, 10th of December, so 10th of November. And then we go with 10th of October. And then here, you can also add in a client suburb. In this case, it's not required, but you can, and that will show up on the suburb. And then you can also assign it to an agent. Now, one thing about these agents, which I should mention is, let's say you want this testimonial, which we're just going to add in, to be assigned to an agent and show up on the testimonial page. So you can do so by selecting the agent. So for example, if I choose like let's say Trevor Bragg as the agent, what will happen is in the website where they have the agent profile, this testimonial will appear, plus it will appear only in the testimonial page as well. But let's say you don't want this to be assigned to any agent and you just want this to show up on the testimonial page, then you just leave this blank. For demonstration purposes, we're going to assign this testimonial to Trevor Bragg so we can see how it looks. Another thing which we probably add in here is a title. Now the title is the title message of the testimonial. It can be anything. But in this case, what we're going to do is, because the Google review doesn't have a title, we're going to grab a title from here. So usually, the best practice is to take the most valuable piece of information or sentence from here and transform that into a title. In this case, I've taken that part of the sentence. Once I'm happy with my testimonial, I click on Submit, and that will add the testimonial to the website. And now, if I go to the website, you'll notice that the testimonial has been added in over here, and this is how it will look. The title is shown over here. Then you can see the whole testimonial with the photo, and you can see who it is by. And all testimonials render differently based off the template which you have for your website, but in a general sense, they'll appear like this. And then you can see the next testimonial is like this, and this one has, for example, a suburb in there, and so forth. You can add testimonials into there, and this is how you perceive it on your website. Now, let's say I want to change the order of the testimonials. Suppose I want the 5-star service to appear before this great value and highly recommended one. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll change the date for this one to show further than the current date which is set for this one, because all testimonials are ordered by date on the website. So in this case, I'll change this one 5-star service to a date further than October 10th. So in this case, I'll choose maybe November 7th and submit. And once I submit this, you'll see that on the testimonial page, it'll exactly appear in that order, where this one will appear first, second, and third. And you can do anything with the testimonials. You can edit the information in there. You can change all the details and so forth. You can even delete the testimonials as you please by clicking on the delete button. Now, another thing which we show is the testimonial assignee section. So remember how I mentioned that this one I've assigned it to Trevor Bragg? So now if I go to Trevor's profile, which I'll go by going about, meet our team, and then go to Trevor's profile, you'll see that the testimonial appears over here in that particular order and format. And every website in Eagle, based off the template which is chosen, renders the testimonial and the agent profile in a different manner. So the current template renders it in a slider format, as you can see, and the testimonial appears there. And generally, this is all about testimonials. This is how you would add, edit, or delete a testimonial or rearrange it accordingly. Hope you have a lovely day. Until next time.